Hello, and welcome back to another day of Mr. Allen's Random Videos. Today, we're actually going to dive into space science, which is awesome. First of all, not a lot of depth goes into space science ever, which is super sad, because maybe if we understood something about space, we'd know much more about the Earth. Also, it's just really cool science. So, we're going to discuss a few major things of space science today from Mr. Allen's Random Video. So here we go. Okay, so in this pan, I'm going to make a model of the solar system. It's going to be awesome. So, I get the water swirling around, round and around and around and around, just like this. And in space, in a galaxy or in our solar system, we have planets. I'm just going to grind some pepper here. And that is going to be actually the rocky matter that's in the solar system that eventually creates some of the planets. So, look at all that rocky matter in there. Then, we're going to keep swirling it, keep it swirling around and around and around, and then you'll notice most of that rocky matter actually gravitates itself into the inside or the center of our circle, our swirling circle. That represents the rocky planets. So your planets that would be like, Mercury through Mars that are closest to the sun. But then you have some of these other floating particles. Well, what happened is the sun, released a whole bunch of energy. The sun's in the middle. I'm going to take some Dawn dish soap and release some energy. Bam! Whoa! So, as it released its energy, all of the other gases that were in the inside were pushed to the outside. That creates the gas giants. So, you got a model of the solar system right in your kitchen. Okay, so we're going to talk phases of the moon here for a second. So let's set up the demonstration. I'm the Earth, the lamp behind me is the sun, and then the white tennis ball, or the tennis ball that I have wrapped in white tissue paper, is going to be the moon. So, let's demonstrate then phases of the moon. Alright, so phases of the moon have everything to do with how Earth sees the moon. So in this phase, this is called new moon, where the moon is directly in between the sun and the Earth. Then, we have a crescent moon. See how it's on the right side, kind of building itself into a very small crescent, like the thumbnail that you see in the night sky. Then, if it keeps moving, half of it being illuminated is called a gibbous moon. And then as we keep going, we get, there it is, the full moon. Oh! 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 Okay, so then you have waxing and waning, right? So waxing means building. So here's a building crescent moon, waxing crescent. Waxing gibbous, halfway, then the full moon, right? So then waning would be, see? That's a waning gibbous moon, how it fell on the right side instead of the left. Waning means going away. And then there's your waning crescent. And then we're back to a new moon. Crazy, ain't it? Okay, so you can't talk space without talking about stars. Stars are everywhere in space. They're burning balls of gas, and they go through a natural life cycle, right? The last part of that life cycle is one of the coolest things that happens in space, which is the supernova, the explosion of a star. Then it releases all of its energy, and it releases stardust, and stardust creates things like you and I. Like, literally, we're made of stardust. How cool is that? So, let's have a supernova. Woohoo! Ha! Exploding star. Well, there we have it. A few space science demonstrations to explain a few phenomena from space. Well, I hope you all stay awesome, stay healthy, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.